Good morning and welcome to Wednesday, December 17th of unboxing Advent boxes. We are at day 17 for two of our boxes, our 25-day boxes, and we are at day 4 on our 12-day box. So excited. All right, let's start with Missouri Star because it just kind of wants to come open because it just does, see? Doesn't like this. That's okay. So we'll open this first. It's very light. Shakes a little bit, but it's very light. Very light. And I was right. It's light. No, I really mean it's light. These are LED string of lights with the Missouri Star emblem on them. Kind of like Chuck the Duck lights, I guess. I know they have those. I had play on words today. I didn't even know it. And it's very light. And it will brighten up our days. Oh, I so want to open it and do it. Oh, I want to see them lit up. I don't know if, it takes batteries. I have batteries somewhere around here. I don't know where. I mean, I kind of do, but that would make me leave and that wouldn't be very polite. So maybe I'll string it up and show them to you next time. So maybe I'll just light myself up in them. But I do want to recap Missouri Star, our box so far. Okay, what we hadn't talked about was, I think we talked about the 2 ornaments, and I valued them at 15. Some other people valued them at 20. Others valued them at 15. I gave them 15. I don't know. That's what I'd pay for them. I mean, I don't know. I might pay 20. Maybe. If it was part of, yeah, it was part of a set, just to complete it. But I don't like that as a reason just to pay more. So 15. I'm sticking with it. Then we had that tin can, that cute little tin can that held all the thread notions in it, the thread savers, and the bobbin holders, and the little things that you can put on the top to put the bobbin and the thread together. Those little rubbery pen things. And I gave that, after looking all over the internet, I did find something very, very similar at a couple of different places, and they had them at $14.99, so I gave them $15. And then yesterday's with the wrist slap band that holds the magnetic pens, and then the suction pen, magnetic pen minder. I gave those a value of the wrist slap. I was able to find almost exactly like it for $9, and the suction magnet pen or pen holder I found for $5.99, so I said $6. So 9 and 6, 15. And so that brings our grand total of value in our box as up to $280. But we spent $199.95. $200. Okay. So subtracting that, we are $80 ahead. So this is good. This has been a great value. I'd really like to see these lit up before I weigh in on them for sure. They are cute. They are so cute. Look at that. And yeah, they are branding. But it's Missouri Star. Gotta expect some branding. I mean, it is a business. If it was my business, I'd be putting my branding on it. So not everything, but I'd have those things in there. You want people to remember that. All right. So now let's go on to our A box. Look at that, number 4. We had such a nice little A box. This is soft squares. We're at soft squares now. And so far that we've had our folder with the patterns and the Steady Betty bridge and the enamel pen had a value of $32 when I added it all up. And then we had the 4-piece fat quarter bundle, which basically 4 fat quarters is a yard of fabric, $12.99, $13. right there. And then we had the project bag for the coin purse with everything in it. Oh my gosh, I'm having a hard time with that. But up to, I'm going to take a little extra time with that and give you both of these tomorrow. But up to that point, we have $45 worth of value from our $185 purchase, bringing it down to $140. So is what we need to get left to get our value from it. So, and here is day 4. And tomorrow you get day 3 and 4 put together, because I'm having a hard time finding everything I need in that. It was just a lot of looking up. So, and when I start falling asleep, I fall asleep, and that was kind of it. So this is nice. It's got a nice little tie. I like the bag it's in. This is very, very, very clever. It's got some shape to it, like a spool of thread, but I don't know. That doesn't seem like a spool of thread. Find out. It is a spool of thread. Get there. So there's more. But wait, there's more. Okay, here we go. All right. Oh, cool. You don't see it, but I do. And here it is. Foundation paper piecing for courthouse steps. Yay! I wanted to try this. It's been such a long time since I've done anything like this. Like over 40 years, probably over 50. I'm giving my age away now. This is 100% Egyptian cotton thread. It is 60 weight and has very low lint. Perfect for quilting. Quilters love it because it's strong but light enough to let your seams lay flat. Wonderful makes the new Riley Bake thread line called Confetti Cotton. This spool is the same, but with the Wonderful branding. Both lines are in the shop at Soft Squares. The courthouse papers are an easy way to get perfect lines and perfect blocks. And watch today's video for a tutorial. Oh yes, look at that. They are. Open up the first one right there. These are nice. Oh, I am excited for this one. This is I love this. I love this. I can barely make it, but I can do it. I can do it. Look what I can do, right? Okay, there we go. Wow, what a nice gift. All right, but we're going to move on to the bee box. And let me tell you what the bee box feels like. It's soft, but it's not fabric. Do you hear that? There might be fabric in there. But it feels like a project bag. And it shakes. So excited. So let's open this up all the way. Okay, there we go. And it is a project bag. Nice. Oh, I see the little date for the project. Let's read about it. What's in here? There we go. It's learning to do zippers again. There we go. Okay, bee box, day 17. Patchabilities design some of the cutest wall hangings, and they do. Yes, they do. I have partnered with them to have our very own custom wall hanging for the Advent box. Wow! Okay, they designed it based on what I asked for, but then I took it a step farther. Watch my December 17th opening video for the tutorial for this project and see how I modified it using the addendum and extra bag of pieces. I'm so excited. Oh, we have a beautiful barn quilt. Oh, look at that, a barn with the quilt on it right on the door. Oh my goodness, and then we have some embroidery threads. Oh yes, that's to go along, right? Excuse me. But wait, we're not done yet. the batting. And we have, looks like a heat and bond type of, yep, light sewable heat and bond. Lots of it. Looks like there's plenty. Plenty. And then we have all the fabrics to use in it. And they're all labeled. This is for the silver needles and the backing and the wood grain spools. Oh my goodness. And dark gray for the barn roof. This, here we've got barn roof right here. And then this blue says background sky. And then we have a green that says the background grass. And it has little flowers. This is so cool. And then the light yellow for the borders. And then binding. Nice. Oh, cool. Oh, wait, there's more. We have clothespins. We have a barn door. We have three different little fabrics for the little pieced quilt that's on it. Oh, aren't they adorable? Okay. Oh, why I have the camera today is not working very well. Oh, they're so cute. And then this one right there. And something in here. Wow, this has got a lot. Embroidery needles. Nice. And in here we have, oh, the Lynn kit. How she modified, how she enhanced it. Let's see what's in here. Oh, there's a little extra batting. Some more binding for the mini quilt. Some backing for the mini quilt. I wonder if it's so the little teeny mini quilt comes off or something. Oh my goodness. And then there's some clothespins and clothesline in there. And a really cool little box that you have afterwards. I can't wait to go watch the video. I suggest you do the same right after I tell you how well we're doing on our B-Box. Soft Squares B-Box. Soft Squares B-Box, when we last left off, we had that 6-piece fat quarter bundle, which gave $18 value to. I think did I do the zip pouch? Yeah, we did that. The Forever Fabulous book, $13 when I went and looked for it. That was the average price. Yes, you can find it on sale for $8 places or whatever, blah, blah, blah. Good for you. I hope you can. But if you had to go out and buy it with your own money and you couldn't find it that way, the retail price is $13. So that is its value. It's because you buy it on sale doesn't mean it loses value. And then we had the 3 coordinating yards, 1 yards of fabric. So average yard is $12.99, $13, 13 times 3, $36, which brings us 16 in the positive. We are at $341 in value, and we paid $325, so that puts us 16 ahead. And so everything else is going to be all in the red and just bonus. That's amazing. I am tickled pink with that. I am full of joy. I hope you are too. And I heard that she might have 1 box left. I can't verify that right now because but that was yesterday. She had, was it yesterday or maybe the day before? I don't know, but there was 1 box left. So don't have FOMO. Go get it. Find your joy. No matter what, anyway, just go find your joy and share it with others. And have a wonderful Christmas. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 18. Bye-bye.